Hello friends, greeting and a warm welcome from the Algo Harmonic team. We request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date with our latest upcoming videos. This video is an introductory video for the Algo Harmonic team and we are going to show you what Algo Harmonic is all about. So basically, Algo Harmonic is nothing but we use algorithms to draw harmonic pattern. In the subsequent slides, we are going to understand what is harmonic trading, what is this algorithm and stuff like that. However, just with an overview in the start of the session, let me show you some charts that our algorithm is able to plot successfully. If you can see over here, this is a bearish pattern and you can see the fall after our algorithm has found that pattern. You can see very well a bullish pattern as well, and you can see after our algorithm has found the pattern, exactly from the same price level, the stock has moved into the uptrend. You can see another one more pattern in Bank Nifty as well. So this thing works in index and in equity markets and commodity markets as well. So let's go ahead friends, let us understand what this Algo Harmonic is all about. Now when we reached out to a lot of retailers, we got an SOS request from a lot of retailers, like help from a lot of retailers as to, they are facing some problems with respect to trading, they are facing some problems with respect to earning money from the markets or rather equity market. So we had a lot of surveys done, we had a lot of discussions done with each of these individual retail traders, and we broadly understood that there is a common pattern of issues that are faced by these retail traders. So let us understand what are these common patterns that they are facing. One is they wanted to trade intraday but they don't have time. They wanted to, they have less knowledge, they have less time to do analysis. On a day-to-day basis, they are busy with their own work, own job, business, supporting the primary source of income. And they wanted to still have a secondary source of income from the equity market. Now they wanted to be on the lower side of the risk. That's why they prefer to have trade only in cash segment rather than trading in derivative segment. And apart from that, one of the most common criteria that we saw is that they want a target hit ratio of almost close to more than 80%. With all these problems circling around these retail investors, we gave them three solutions. We said that, okay, what if we give you a precise stock name and an entry point, because these retailers are confused as to which stock to trade. There are large cap, mid cap, small cap. Where do I go and put my trade? The second one was, we told them that after we give you the script name and the entry point, that okay, here is the price, here is the bullish chart or bearish chart, what you need to trade. We will also tell you what is your risk associated with each of the trade and what can be your potential stop loss. So basically, if your stop loss get hit, how much loss you gonna make, and if your target comes, how much profits are you gonna make. And the next one is the target percentage hit. So we're gonna tell you all of this information, and let's say if you take 100 trades, 90 trades are gonna be in profit, 10 might be hitting the stop loss. Okay, so we got a very good response. This is exactly what the retailers said, that yes, we want exactly the stuff that you guys are explaining over here. So with that said, we launched Algo Harmonic trading technique. Okay, so let us understand what is this Algo Harmonic all about. So Algo Harmonic is actually divided into two parts. One is algorithm and one is the harmonic trading. Now what is algorithm? If you go by the dictionary definition, algorithm simply means a process or a set of rules to be followed in calculations or other problem solving operations, especially by a computer. Then what is harmonic trading? Well, harmonic trading combines patterns and math into a trading method that is precise and based on the ideology that patterns repeat itself, or rather history repeats itself. So with this said, unlike other traditional trading techniques that you guys might be aware of, harmonic trading attempts to predict future movements. And what is this trading technique based upon? This trading technique is based upon Fibonacci series. That's where we have so based on the Fibonacci series, you can see that there is a geometric pattern that is formed on the chart previously, and we believe in the ideology that yes, the same thing is going to repeat in the future. This is the same concept of ideology which drives your supply and demand, support and resistance, all those concepts that you see in the live market or in the equity markets. Then what is algo harmonic trading? Well, what we did is we automated this identification of patterns or harmonic patterns in a custom time frame like 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, wherever we want to do, and we used math and programming clubbed together, and we introduced algo harmonic. So what happens in this? So let's have a quick overview of this harmonic trading. Okay, so in harmonic trading we try to predict the reversal levels against the trend. So on a layman term, if I want to explain you, suppose any stock is in a complete bullish trend, it's trying to make a 52-week high. Being a harmonic trader, you can predict that, hey, you know what, the maximum high this stock can make is 110. The stop loss for this stock is going to be 116, and our targets, that if we start falling from 110, our targets are going to be somewhere around 100, 95, 82 and so on. Then if you have maths, if you have geometry with you, you have Fibonacci series with you, and you have a way to predict where the stock is going to go or where the exact momentum is going to reach up till, we have clubbed all of that together, written our own algorithms, right, and we have came up with this algo harmonic trading. So let's have a quick overview of the algo harmonic trading. In this, so basically in harmonic trading you have close to 80 plus patterns, out of which 20 plus patterns have been repeatedly seen at a higher frequency, at a higher rate in Indian equity markets. So that's why we have identified 20 plus harmonic patterns. They are drawn automatically on our stock list that are handpicked by us based on certain criteria in terms of the volatility, the movement, the volume that gets generated on a daily basis. So we have prepared an extensive stock list. Now what happens once a pattern is found? Let's see. So once a pattern is formed on a particular chart, you can see that there is an alert that gets generated, okay, on a software called Telegram. So on the screen, the screenshots that you are seeing, this is our channel on Telegram. We are present on multiple other social media, but Telegram is one place where we, you can come and check live calls during the live market or the working day markets, equity markets, and you can test, you can see the accuracy for yourself, and you can even trade based on your own risk appetite. So what happens is we designed an algorithm which will go ahead and find the patterns. As you can see on the screen, the pattern has been identified. It generates an alert to you on your Telegram software stating that, hey, you know what, this is the pattern that's gonna get formed, and here are your two buttons. This is the, you will say that, okay, sell Siemens at 1184, stop loss and a target that is given, and we have integrated Zerodha and Upstocks in Telegram. So it's a one-click solution for you. So the moment you get an SMS, you don't have to log into your app separately, Zerodha and Upstocks. You just click on this Zerodha button, and whatever this trade that is present over here, this get auto punched in after you log into Zerodha and Upstocks. Now how many times do I have to log in? It's a one-time logging effort. Once you have logged in, every time next order comes, you place or click on either Zerodha or Upstock button, and the details will be pre-filled. You just have to verify it once and just click on submit. That's it, your order is punched in. Okay, and you can see the moves also. Like when we gave sell, okay, you can see the sell that has happened. Let's see another screenshot. See this, we have given a sell on MNN. Our pattern, you can see that, okay, there is a bearish black swan pattern that's been identified on MNN. You can see the moves that happened with the alert that has came in, and you can see the orders been placed, and you can see the fall. Now what I wanted to highlight over here is our alert system is an advanced alert system. Now what do we mean by alert system as advanced? This alert system will come and tell you that, hey, you know what, get ready. Here is what a black swan pattern is gonna get formed in M&M at so and so price. Now your current market price may be somewhere around 347, right? It may be somewhere around 345, but the alert comes to you way before that. So if we are planning to sell at 352, the alert has came to you when the price was already at 346, 347. So there's a big difference of a couple of points out there based on which the alert comes. You have enough amount of time to log in and just click on that submit button so your order gets submitted. Okay, so these are some of the trades that our folks or our fans who have been on Telegram following us regularly, these are some of the screenshots of the trades that these guys have taken. Here is the information, like you can see the screenshots. All these screenshots have been clubbed together. You can see the profits that they have been making in cash trades on daily basis. This is our channel info for Telegram, where you can find it as, you can just type t.me/AlgoHarmonic. You can see it over here, t.me/AlgoHarmonic, even on Google, and you can connect through us to Telegram web. You can download the desktop app, you can download the mobile app. It's available on the Play Store as well as Apple OS as well. So friends, you can see the AlgoHarmonic channel details. It's t.me/AlgoHarmonic with a double C in the end. So don't get confused and don't miss us. Don't miss to connect with us on Telegram channel. We are also available on multiple other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. So you can find us on the other digital platforms as well. Now friends, I just want to give you one closing statement. Okay, this AlgoHarmonic trading system is going to be useful for who? Okay, who are the key people who are going to get advantage out of using this AlgoHarmonic? Okay, well, what changes if I adopt to this AlgoHarmonic trading technique? What changes for me? What are the advantages? Well, the first one is the step that I need to do is I get up early in the morning. I just enable my AlgoHarmonic trading system, and that's it. That's all I have to do. I don't have to keep monitoring the stocks. I don't have to keep monitoring the levels for those stocks. I don't have to set alerts manually. All these alerts in this entire automated system, everything will come to my Telegram, as a message to me. I don't have to worry for anything. Also, I get an advance alert, so there is no chance of missing my trades, or the chances of missing the trades are minimal. You can also decide whether you want to trade or you don't want to trade. All calls are coming in cash or equity. It is useful for all traders as they can trade in cash. Also, you can look at the same levels and trade it in futures also. Okay, and you can wait for target and stop loss. Caution: trading in futures is gonna be slightly risky for you, because derivative markets are the chances of having losses in derivative markets and profits are always higher, on a higher side. So AlgoHarmonic trading system is best suited for folks who are office goers, folks who are full-timers, traders, business people who have to support their primary source of income, people who have retired. They don't have the knowledge, they don't have the time, the bandwidth to do their own analysis. Still they can use our systems. And the primary target for us is the housewife. Okay, so any female who is a housewife, who is a homemaker, she can still go ahead and have a secondary source of income by using our AlgoHarmonic trading technique. Okay, remember guys, there is no need of any technical knowledge. There is no need for you to go ahead and run and study 10 other books or stuff. It's one simple algo trading technique. Okay, and we invite you to experience all of this onto our Telegram and other social platforms. Thank you guys. See you around. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Okay, and you will be glad to see and trade with us. Thank you.